Yes, people, finally, the fixtures are out. And let me tell you something, Bafit. Let me tell you something. Up the slum. Up the slum. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 15 points. Ngifuna 15 points out of the first 5 games, Bafit. Nginandaba nthini. 15 points. The bare minimum, 13 points, 1 throw out of those 5 games. Sekhukhune, Marumo, Stellenbosch, Orbit, Nechipa. Sekhukhune, home, you have to win. Marumo, away from home, we have to beat them. Stellenbosch, yeah, nane, bashaye home and away last season. Mile sibashayela abantu. Orbit College, the Lodge Reunion, Nechipa abe khomnandi niyazi. 15 points bafethu, please up there.